Why not?
Start all over.
Okay.
Aw, man. I wanted to play the mean bunny that Red Riding Hood won. Did anybody hear me?
Yes. I think the big bad wolf is sleeping.
Say, come in, Red. He's not supposed to be sleeping. He's supposed to say, come in, Red. He's pretending he's sick. No, I'm sleeping.
He doesn't want to play.
No, I'm playing, but I'm tired. Tommy,
Who's gonna be the big bad wolf?
me.
Okay, then
Come
me.
in, Red. What big eyes you have. Didn't you mind do? What big teeth you have. Didn't you mind do? What big ears you have. Didn't you mind do? Wait a minute. You're the big bad wolf. Then I say, give me those treats. No.
That's a regular riding hood.
Yeah.
You want to play hoodwink?
Yeah.
Oh.
Then Daddy has to be the mean old bunny. Would I be the mean old bunny? Because I like that bunny. Well, then we don't have a big bad wolf to say, give me those treats. Daddy can be the big bad wolf.
No, he's trying to watch. He doesn't know the line. Let's just do a regular one, not the hoodwink.
It took on the line. Pudding. Wait, let's just start from starting.
Again!
Dominic keeps on saying, let's play a 2-1.
Doesn't sound like Dominic wants to do it.
To my grandma's house, grandma's house, grandma's house. Going to my grandma's house all day long. What big eyes? No, look at me. No, thank you. Oh my God. What big teeth you have? Not thank you. What big ears you have? Not thank you, my dear. Wait a minute. You're the big bad wolf. No, I'm not. Nobody looking till I did my mind card back. And I have to pretend to do. and I have to say, you're the big bad wolf. Okay? You're the big bad wolf. No, I have to say that. Take off the costume. Let's start all over.
Oh my goodness.
All over. I'm going to my grandma's house, my grandma's house. Let's start.
We start over 5 times.
What big eyes you have. What big teeth you have. What big ears you have. You have to rip your costume. Just pretend.
Oh, Streaker.
Adam the beloved. Just pretend to take off your costume. Not your underwear. What's this in your belly button? Blue. No, it's a microphone. Okay, let's just start all over. These are funny videos.
Oh my God.
We're on Facebook, okay?
Or on YouTube.
Grandma's house, grandma's house, grandma's house. What big eyes you have.
Lily!
What big ears you have. What big teeth you have. And take your costume off. All the way? No, just pretend.
Just pretend.
Wait a minute. You're a big bad wolf. Nancy, give me those treats. Not give me some treats.
Journey, let's
And
just
I have
do
to
the
try to
regular
get the
way.
treats. That's in that time. No, I want to do the hood time. Then we're not playing.
Let's just get to the part we never passed.
Thank you, Red. The end. Let's all do the curtain call. Playing Red Riding Hood. Charity. Playing the Playing the grandma. Me. Hello, Facebook and YouTube.
Take a bow.
Bye.
Don't whip your brother with the wooden food.